This tutorial will demonstrate the Label 3D Line tool found on the MMC 3D Analysis Python add-in. The Python add-in was developed by Gannett Fleming for the MMC Production Team. This tool will create a temporary point layer of the vertices of a selected 3D line layer in the table of contents. The points are labeled with elevation values to easily visualize the 3D geometry of the lines. If there is a 3D line layer in the current map document and the user is not in an ArcMap editing session, the Label 3D Line tool will be active to use. Additionally, in order for this tool to work, the map data frame and the 3D line layer must have a coordinate system defined with both vertical and horizontal units in US feet. Select a 3D line layer in the table of contents. If you do not want to label everything in the layer, then select individual features. If the features have a large amount of vertices, this tool will take some time to run. A temporary 3D point layer is created and added to the table of contents, called Z labels. The points represent all the vertices along the selected features and label the Z value or elevation. The number of decimals shown is controlled by the values saved under the Configure Settings dialog. The temporary feature is saved to a Scratch database and will be removed from the map document and deleted from disk upon closing and saving the MXD. Each time the tool is run, a new temporary layer is created, replacing any that were previously created during the current session. So I'm going to go ahead and run it for an entire layer. I'm not going to select any features. So in this case, it's going to create this point layer for all of these cross sections. And it's going to replace anything that I had already developed. So as you can see, points were created for each feature in the 3D line layer. And the Z label layer that I developed for the stream center line was replaced. If I want to keep this data, simply export it out. And you can keep it in your map.